Okay, now you can see over here, I have actually created a database. Okay, this is my database. If you want to delete it, go over there, right click and click on drop schema, it will get dropped. Okay, now I am again making it. Okay, you have to run it, create database name of the database. Always remember, you have to, whatever things other than keywords are there, keywords will be always highlighted in blue color. Okay, other than keywords, things should be mostly maintained in lowercase. It's your choice, it's not mandatory, but it will look good. Okay, so I am naming it as db1, something like that. Okay, when I will run it, you can see over here, this command is correct. That's why there is a green tick mark over there. Okay, when you will refresh over there, you can find the database. Okay, this is schemas. Here you can find your database, your table, everything. Within this table, I'm going to make, within this database, I'm going to make one table. That is, first of all, I should use this database. So I should write use, okay, then name of the database, db1, right? Okay. So now I'm there within this database. I'm going to, actually create a table. For that, I am going to, sorry. Okay. If you want to limit the rows, then you can go over here. Okay. You can limit it as per your requirement, right? Okay. So that's it. And okay, now. So this is that you check out all this menu, new students over here. Guys, wait a second. I am sorry for the interruption, guys. Actually, this was that video.
We sold over $500,000 worth of spices. That's so crazy.
Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things.
This is the video.
In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install the current MySQL workflow.
So through this video, you can actually install it properly. Only 3 things are required.
Command line interface. With that, MySQL Workbench provides you a GUI to create database tables and perform operations.
So here, can you all hear me properly?
Go to the browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser on Google.
Guys, can you all hear me?
Press enter.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the video.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
new students, I am telling you, this is the video. You can follow this video, okay? There is the link in the chat box. If anybody entered right now, I will post it once again.
That go below.
Okay.
Then click on MySQL Community GPL downloads.
Right.
Now we have reached the community downloads.
So here, see, I have already told you, in order to upload any table within your database, first of all, you have to create a database. So I have made one database. Now I have to, I have to actually run the command that is use the database. I have to mention the name of the database, that is DB1. Okay, now it is occurring like this. Now tables is there. You have to right click over there. There is one option called table data import wizard. Okay, you have to click over there. Now they will ask for the path. Okay, I'm going to browse it. So there is one, data set that is churn modeling. I'm taking this one. Okay, open. Now you can see the path is over there. Now you have to click on next. Okay, so everything is okay. DB1 is the database. Churn modeling is the name of it. Okay, now next. Now it will automatically detect what are different field types over there. See here, you can see different columns are there, right? Row number, customer, wait, row number, customer ID, surname, credit score, geography, gender, age, tenure, balance, number of products, has a credit card, is an active member, estimated, and exit. These are different fields of a particular table. Okay, so this particular the process through which we are actually putting our CSV file into the MySQL will actually detect different data, field name with its data types. These are the data types. Int means integer. Okay, text is the textual data, categorical variable it is. Okay, like this. Double because it is having some floating point values like this. See, balance is having decimal point now. So that's why double is the data type. Is it clear to all of you? What these things means? This is the name of fields and this is the name of data types. Okay, clear guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Where did you get this table data import from?
This table, churn modeling.
Yeah.
I got it from my
Table data
professor only.
import.
I got it from my
The-
professor. I will share it with you. Okay. So this is the small summary of this table. Okay. Here you can see. Right. Now I'm clicking over next. Right. Now I have to click over next. Then it will get executed. Okay. Right. It will take little bit time. We have to wait. Regarding this table, it is a customer's data, whether that customer will be there or not, whether he will exit or not, like that, depending upon different parameters like credit score, geography, gender, age, tenure, balance, number of products, credit card, active member, like that. Okay, these three things now, that is row, customer ID, surname, these things are not that much important because it will not decide whether the customer will be there in the organization or not. Okay, is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay, so it is getting loaded. We can wait for some time more.
Ramya, in MySQL Workbench, where do you have to select to get this function table data import? Can you please tell us again?
Import it, I will tell you once again. See what you have to
MySQL
do.
Workbench.
Here in MySQL Workbench, you should click on schemas. Okay. And if you are actually, if you have created one database and you're using that particular one, then you can see these tables within it. Okay, is it clear? There is nothing in this table. You have to create a table, right click over there and click on data import wizard, table data import wizard. Then you will get that dialog box and you can proceed as it is. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Got it.
right.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell me what is the difference between my Microsoft SQL Server and this MySQL Workbench?
SQL server is the only, I mean, here we will do coding, na? That is server only.
Okay, so there is a difference or not, ma'am?
Yeah, that is required so that you can actually access things. Database and everything is loaded in server only. Here you will do coding in Workbench.
Okay.
Server is the place where different database and tables are actually loaded. Even, I mean, website data can also be loaded over there.
Okay.
Actually, I'm having a doubt. Can I?
Okay, yeah, it is done. Next, yes, what you were saying?
Ma'am, actually, this is a recording, no, ma'am. Where can we see this recorded video?
I will share you the link. I will save it in my drive and I will share you the link. No problem at all.
Okay, okay.
Okay. There are previous recording also in that particular drive. You can go through them also. Regarding web scraping and some data science concepts and cyber security concepts. A lot of things are there. You can go through them also, previous recorded videos. Okay, so there were 10,000 records, right? So everything is got imported. Now I will click on finish. Okay, clear? So now there is no table. Okay, when I will refresh over here, there is one drop down. Okay, when I will click over here, churn modeling is there. Okay, the name of this data set was churn modeling. Okay, that's why. So here what I'm doing, if I want to see the entire data set, what I will do, I will actually place the command that is select. Select star. Star means every columns. Okay. Select star. Then I should mention from where? From the table name. What is the table name, please? All of you, please tell me. What is the table name, guys? Huh?
No, the churn modeling is the
Churn
data.
modeling. Churn modeling is the table name. Okay, churn _ modeling. Always remember one thing. Whatever fields are there in your table, there should be no space in between. Okay. Like what I'm trying to say is, see, here there is no space between has, credit card, right? They are all together. Okay. So always remember one thing, whichever columns are there in your table, there should be no space between two words in a column. Okay. Is it clear? Regarding column header, I am saying it should not be like a num space of space product. Okay. Always remember that thing. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So always end the command by semicolon. Okay. Otherwise it may throw an error. So I'm selecting this one. Okay. Then I'm running it. Okay. Now you can see the entire table is there. Okay. You can choose one single column also. Okay. In that case, you have to mention the name only. Okay. So you have to write like select. Okay. Tell me any column, anybody.
Credit score.
Credit score. Okay. This one. Credit score. Okay. From. Right. Then churn modeling itself. Okay, now run this code. Now you can see only credit score is there. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, now we are taking two columns together. Okay, guys, please tell me which column should I take? Any two columns.
Customer ID.
Tenure.
Geography and gender.
Geography and gender and tenure also we can take. Okay, three columns we will take together. Okay. Select. Tenure. Geography. Then what was next? Gender. Is it right? Spelling and everything is correct now. Gender, geography, and tenure. Okay. Now we have to write this from churn modeling. Always remember whenever you are taking different columns, put a comma in between. Okay. Right, three columns got displayed. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Now, if you want a single, if you want some distinct things in a particular column, okay, for example, you can see that gender, what are the distinct values, female and male, right? Geography is having France, Spain, and Germany. Okay, like this. Some values are getting repeated again and again. And if you want unique values in a particular column, in that case, you will use distinct keyword. Okay. Distinct and unique, they both mean the same only. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us check out that how we can get the distinct, things from a particular column. Okay, in geography, we will go for that. So I'm taking select, right? Now I have to use the keyword that is distinct, okay? Now tell me any column. Geography is okay, right? Controls.
Customer ID.
Which one?
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
You do not have to write from and distinct.
Yeah, from the table name. That's it. Select distinct column name from table name. Okay, clear? Is it clear to all of you?
Battery percentage on.
So I'm running this one. Now you can see France, Spain, and Germany. Right?
The unique values have come out.
What you were saying?
The unique values have come out by using
Yeah,
values.
only unique values are there. Okay, they are getting repeated again and again corresponding to different records. Similarly, we can go with gender also in the same way. Okay. Okay, if there is a capital also, it won't make any issue. Okay. Capital and let's see, there is no problem at all with capital also. By by mistake, I have written NDER in capital, then also it won't make an issue. Okay, only for good looking code, we will, write the keywords in capital and our column name and table names in small letters. Okay, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So distinct keyword is clear to all of you, I hope. How you can take different, columns together, that is also clear. And how you can take how you can check out the whole table, that is also clear, right? Select star from table name. Okay. Right. Now, if you want to count the number of records, so in that case, you can write select count. Then within count, you can mention any column or you can mention star also. Okay, I'm mentioning geography. See. Okay, from churn modeling. Okay, now play this one. I mean, run this one. 10,000 rows are there. Okay, if you're placing star over there, then also the same thing will happen. Okay, it will show the same thing. Okay, 10,000 only. Is it clear to all of you how to find the number of records within a table?
Yes.
Okay. Now that is clear to all of you. Now let us move on to another concept. That is, there is one concept in which we can actually change the name of columns. Okay. Select. So here, you can see is active member is there. Okay. So in that case, you have to write like is, you have to first mention the column name. Okay. So I'm copying this. Now you have to use the keyword as. Okay. And I'm only mentioning it as a short, name, that is active ACTMEM. Okay. Okay. Then you have to actually write the same thing, that is from churn modeling, name of the table. Okay. So run this one. Now you can see active member. Okay, the same thing it is. This was the column, right? 110010, like that. You can see over here the same thing. Only the column name is changed. Is it clear to all of you how to change the column name?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Here you can see it is not affected, right? Now you can create a new table using the same content. Okay, let us check out that thing. For that, you have to write create. Okay. Before that, I want to tell you this. As means alias. Okay. Right. Okay. So this whole thing is clear to all of you.
Yes.
Okay. If there some condition is required, like I want only people from France. So in that case, which keyword you will be using? Anyone? Any idea?
Where keyword.
Correct.
Where state?
Correct. Select star. I'm taking the entire table, right? Now only France is, I mean, content related to France is there. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
You can use other, I mean, conditional statements also. Like if I want people of age less than, okay, less than 40 if I want, right? Okay, clear. Only people in this age range is there, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You try out
Yes,
other
ma'am.
conditions also, okay? Now I'm going to tell you that how to make a new table using the existing table, okay? So for that, you have to use the keyword create. Okay, create, then you have to write view. Okay, and I'm naming this particular table as churn only. Okay, now write as. It is also one keyword. Okay, then write select. Because I'm selecting from a particular table, no? That's why. Okay, if you want the entire table, you can use the star symbol, and if you want some particular columns only, you have to mention those columns. Okay, so I'm taking credit score. It is an important one. Then geography. Right. After that, age is also important. Right. You can choose any. I'm randomly taking it. Okay. Then you have to write from which table you are taking. That is from right. So let us check out.
Rana, why did you put the create view of churn? What does churn mean?
It is a new table name.
Okay, okay, okay. And these fields will be in that new table, right? Which you have selected.
Yeah. Now you can check
The,
out. If you will if you will go through the statement that is select star from churn, you can get the new table. Okay. This is the table name only, churn. This is our existing table, that is churn modeling.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
This is the new table that we have made, right? Now let us check out